Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Electronics Wiz, all the way from Kenya. Today I will be showing you how to solder different components on a motherboard. To do this, we will need a soldering iron. Make sure that the soldering wire is of the best quality. This is what I use. At times you might buy a soldering wire and it is of a lower quality, and soldering becomes very difficult for you, especially when you are a beginner. You will need a soldering gun. As you can see, my tip is clean. There are people that have soldering guns that can vary temperature, but mine only works at a specific temperature, and it has a pointed tip. The tip is quite small because I am using small electronic components. For people that are soldering components that are bigger, they will need to have a tip that is bigger. I will also need a motherboard. As you can see, this is the back side of my motherboard, this is the front side, so the components will go in from this side and they will be soldered from this side. This side, it is vertically connected. As you can see, the wires, it has it is arranged alphabetically from A to S. You can find sometimes the wires are, the connections is horizontally, so you have to know which board you are using. Others are not interconnected, so for a board like this, I will not put my components like this because I will short them. I have to put them like this so that I do not short them. Okay, so I have two resistors that I will solder in, two LEDs, and I have this LED. It has 3 terminals. What do you think an LED with 3 terminals is called, and what is it used for? Let's now dive in. So I will take this one, I will fold the legs, I will push it inside. You can jump as many holes as you want. You can even put it here or here, anywhere you want. So for my demonstration, I will jump just one. I'll put it here. Some people would want it to lie completely on the board. Others would want it to be raised a little bit so that when you are harvesting electronics, it's easy for you to take it out and use it again. Okay? So for me, I will just push it till here, and then on this side, I will fold the legs so that I secure them to a firm position when I am soldering. Hope you can see. Then, as you can see, I do not have a soldering gun holder because of my financial situation right now, but I know in future things will work out for me. So this is how we do it. The soldering gun first, and then the wire. Put just a little like that. You see, it does not cross to the other holes. We come to the other side, the gun, then the wire, just like that. You can see, and it is secure. And then you will cut off the extra legs. Maybe we can try with another component. Let's use this LED. Yeah. Make sure when you are doing it, make sure you draw first a circuit diagram, then you follow it, so that you can know which terminal of which component is attached to which one. Make sure you remove, after soldering, make sure you remove the wire and then the gun. Okay, so make sure you don't put a lot of solder. Let me put a lot of solder and then you'll see how messy it will become. You see, when you put a lot of solder, it's crossing to the other holes, and this can short your terminals, especially when they are not interconnected longitudinally. Make sure the solder is small so that even your motherboard looks clean. You can see this one is too much. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'll show you how to solder in components that have multiple input pins, like this one or this one or even this one. I am sure because ICs have multiple input legs or pins, it will be helpful to you. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.